Attention.
Emergency! Emergency! Send help immediately!
Attention.
Emergency alert!
Attention.
Mr. Mayor, you're not going to believe this, but overnight, an evil fridge freezer showed up. It must be destroyed. Immediately! You can't be serious! I thought you'd retired! If that's the case, there's only one person for the job. Destructo girl.
I'm on my way.
Wherever danger looms, Destructo Girl is there. Using only the power of her mind to control her trusty sidekick Digger, she will destroy all evil. Destructo Girl and Cat.
Destructo girl! Thank God you're here. This fridge is sending a chill down my spine. It needs to be crushed. It needs to be destroyed.
Revenge is a dish best served cold. I love to destroy. Let me call upon my trusty sidekick, Cat. Once again, Destructo Girl smashing it. Destructo Girl.